Hello, lovely viewers. You're watching Bipolar Opposite. I'm your guy, Tim Cubbin. Today, I am going to be talking to you about standardized tests. Okay, now, who here are ready to take a standardized test? Come on. I know all you took a standardized test because that's what they do in schools. Unless you're absolutely completely uneducated, never went to school, you take a standardized test. I know. Now, are they a pain in the ass? Yeah. I mean, required. Students are required in certain grades to take these damn tests. Now are they? Well, they're basically an excuse for the schools within the state to say, okay, our schools got the highest tests in the states, therefore our schools are better than your schools. Or, then there's also standardized tests that go over the whole country. So, here's the state saying, okay, here's the state of Texas saying, you know what, we got better scores than the people in the state of Rhode Island. Therefore, we're better with our school systems. Really? It's all just a ploy to make us, each school, seem better than all the others. Is it fair to students? Well, no, because, think about it. I was an education major. There's a term we use called teaching to test. In other words, we're so busy preparing for the standardized tests that we're really not learning to learn. We're just learning for the test, teach the test, rather than teach the curriculum. Because we spend half the school year teaching for the damn tests, rather than going with the curriculum it should be. So, if you think about it, standardized tests are taking away from the curriculum. So therefore, it's hurting the students. Sure, yours might look better than all the others, but it's hurting the students because they're not getting a proper education. I mean, in New York, where I'm from, we have the regents. Those are at the end of each year. And let me tell you, those are brutal. I mean, brutal. They have so much stuff on it, which, again, teach to test. So, like I said, we're too busy learning for the sake of learning for tests. Then we're actually learning for the sake, we're not learning for the sake of learning. I mean, come on. Now, in New York, we have the two diplomas for regular high school. We have the Regents diploma and the diploma. I got a regular diploma because, well, I was in special education classes. Therefore, I didn't do all the tests that would be for Regents. So therefore, no matter what I did, there was no way I would get a Regents diploma. Does it look good for certain schools? Yeah, no, it doesn't. But, you know what? That's only for special New York schools. Anywhere else a Regents diploma means shit. Okay? Means shit. Now we're going to briefly look on the ultimate standardized tests, the SATs. That's a tough one. I actually took it 3 times. I did really good each time, but let me tell you. I mean, the stupidest thing about the SATs is the PSATs. Okay, so we're so busy learning for a test that's really a practice for a test. Is there a point to that? Is there a point to PSATs? It doesn't mean shit. Why do we take it if it doesn't mean shit? It's just a waste. I never took the PSATs, just so you know. I did great on the regular SATs. So, those are all standardized tests. So, I hope you learned something about the standardized tests in this little video. If you did, great. If not, well, you didn't. So I say to you, Tim Cubbin, out.